Today's lesson is over area of composite figure. Well, what is this? Well, a composite figure is an irregular shape made of two or more regular shapes. For example, this is a rectangle that's connected to a triangle. This is a triangle connected to something called a semicircle, which we'll be learning in a month from now. So you break the irregular figure into regular shapes, things that you recognize like squares, rectangles, triangles, semicircles or half circles, trapezoids, etc. Find the area of each regular shape, and then you combine the area of each regular shape. Unless it's asking about finding the shaded part only, which we'll talk about shortly. For example, let's try two examples. In here, I can break this down into two recognizable shapes. I could break it down into a trapezoid and a rectangle. Some people actually break it down to a triangle, trapezoid, rectangle. But why do more work than necessary? So let's find the total combined area with the rectangle and trapezoid. To find the area of a rectangle, you must do something called base times height. So the base is 24, the height is 7. So 24 times 7 is 2 plus 2. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 is 168. Again, to find the area of a trapezoid, you must find a B1 and you have to add it up to something called the B2 or base 2. Then you do times the height and half of it. So base 1 right here is 24. The other base is 13. So 24 plus 13 is 37. The height of this is 4. So we could do 37 times 4, cut it in half. You could do half of 37 times 4, or half of the 4, which is 2, times 37. That would be, I believe, 74, I believe. So if the rectangle area is 168 and the area of the trapezoid is 74, together 168, combine it to 74 is 12 carry to 1. 13 plus 1 is 14 carry to 1. 242 is right here. Next one. So in here, what happens if they ask you only find the area of the shaded region? So what two shapes do you see here? I see two rectangles. I see an outer rectangle and an inner rectangle. What's the area of the outer rectangle? 3 times 4 is base times height. So the outer is 12. What is the area of the inner rectangle? 3 times 2 is 6. Is this shaded? No. If I get my scissor and cut this out, cutting out is what operation? Subtract. What's the area of the shaded region? 6 square inches.